Hey designers, Flashy Pack Plus is the ultimate thumbnail asset pack by Flashy Thumbnail, built for creators and designers who want pro results fast. Let's get started. After downloading the pack and decompressing it, you'll get 3 folders: backgrounds, assets, and PSD templates. Let's keep the templates aside for now and open the rest with Photoshop. That's amazing. Let's dive deeper into the Flashy Pack assets. We go to the layers. The first layer is just the pack cover, so we can hide it to see everything else. Here we have text styles, over 16 styles that can be used for any niche. These are created by us and are among the most used ones out there. Mockups, a collection of iPads, MacBooks, and iPhones to make your thumbnails look pro, especially in business niches. Then we have graphs and stats. If you're a thumbnail designer, you know how essential these are. We also included grids, app icons, and UI elements for trading results, e-commerce dashboards, Shopify, social media interfaces, and more. The kind of stuff you really can't live without as a thumbnail designer. Next are the fire assets. These add a warm effect to thumbnails and work across a lot of ideas and niches. Inside each group, you'll find different options to choose from. Lastly, there are 10+ color grading effects to correct and enhance your thumbnail colors. Alright, let's move on to the second folder. This one is all about backgrounds. First, hide the cover again. We've got graphic maps, different room backgrounds, all organized so you can preview and choose easily. A nature pack, deserts, grass, sky, and you can customize the sky with the clouds you want, no hassle. Then we have gold bags. Super useful if you work in the money niche or with faceless channels. Golden cars, more UI elements and charts. Broken glass effects you can apply easily. And finally, curtains, used to create strong contrast in thumbnails. You can even customize the curtain color with one click. Now, let's show you how easy it is to use the pack. All elements are smart objects. Let's create a new artboard at YouTube size. We'll start by adding a Shopify dashboard and customizing it. Just copy and paste the UI into your project. Double-click the smart object to open it. Here you can change anything: text, colors, positions, styles. Once you're done, press Command+S or Control+S to save. Your changes will appear in the main artboard. Now, let's add a curtain in the background and resize it. Keep in mind, resizing a smart object doesn't affect its quality. We'll center the UI card, take one of the text styles, copy-paste it into our project, and change the text. Let's use dropshipping course as an example. Keep it uppercase. Add some icons that balance the layout. I prefer putting the text at the bottom. And that's it. We're done. If you like the pack, you can find the link in the description.